Hi, I'm Leigh from Pro-Ject Audio Australia and New Zealand, and I'm here at Vinyl Revival in Fitzroy, Melbourne, to show you how to set up the world's favourite high-performance turntable, the Debut Carbon.
To set up a Debut Carbon, we need the platter, a felt mat, the drive belt, the power supply, a phono cable, the counterweight, the anti-skating weight, the lid, and a turntable. Ideally, a Debut Carbon. Let's put on the drive belt. First around the pulley, and then around the sub-platter. Use the small rung of the pulley for 33s, and the big rung of the pulley for 45s. Put on the platter with the spindle going through the centre hole, and then put on the felt mat. Time to set up the tone arm. You'll need to remove the transport tyre before you get started. Take the counterweight and screw it on about halfway. Then remove the stylus guard. Raise the tone arm lever to the up position and then move the tone arm so it's sitting above the platter. Roll back the counterweight until the tone arm hovers. Now move the tone arm back into its cradle. Holding the main part of the counterweight fixed, rotate the scale so that the 0 is at the top. Now screw the counterweight inwards until it reaches 18 on the scale. That's a tracking force of 1.8 grams. Now we can add the anti-skating weight. For tracking forces between 1.5 and 2 grams, use the middle rung. Thread the weight over the loop so it hangs freely. Your 15-volt DC power supply plugs into the back of the unit like so, and then into the wall. Now it's time to plug your turntable into your amp. First, connect the ground spade to the grounding terminal on the turntable. Then plug in the RCA connections, white for left and red for right. A standard Debut Carbon should be connected to a phono stage or the phono input on your amplifier. First, connect the ground spade, and then connect the right and the left channels. And we're ready to play a record. Place it on the platter and then flick the power switch underneath the turntable. It's toward the front left. Move the tone arm into position and then use the tone arm lever to cue the record. You can also use the lid to keep your turntable bits nicely tucked away, but you don't have to.